Hello guys, how to be here? Welcome back to another video, and today we will unbox the latest i3 processor, and which is 12th generation, and as you can see it is i3 1200. I mean, it is basically 12 means the 12th gen and 100 means the code number 100, and it supports actually LGA 1700. This is the socket size LGA 1700. So today we will just unbox this. This is the product code out there, and let's check this out. I'm pretty sure the fan it contain will not be that good, but there is no other option now. I will have to use this, but let's check this out first. The seal was pretty simple and normal, so we'll just move the seal and the front part. This is the front part, I guess. Well, it comes. Well, what? Okay. There it is. This is the processor, the 12th generation processor. Looks pretty nice. And there are some codes. I really don't know what those codes mean, but this looks pretty. The i3 actually contain 4 core and I think 8 threads. We'll have to check this out, but for now we'll just unbox this one, and here it is. So well, if I just tilt around, it shows some digits. I don't know what this means, but these are the points where where it will connect with motherboard, I guess. This is pretty simple but looks very gorgeous. And let's check out the fan inside the box. Here you go. What the hell? This is the Intel fan. It's pretty much textbook, like what they're giving over the time. By the course of time, they're giving the same fan, but this is a bit different. The Intel fan looks pretty nice, and the heatsink also. Well, they updated the feature. This is really cool. This looks nice, and the fan actually moves pretty fast. And yeah, this is very much interesting. Hope you all enjoy the video. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more of the interesting videos. See you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.